What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to hop on camera today to give you another update of the textbot AI, and I wanted to show you here in the back office the different types of resources that textbot AI have that you may not have known of or may not took the time to scroll down. And these types of features helped you out on your marketing training with textbot AI. It gives you a little bit of deep and dive of what this how to use this tool. SMS marketing is one of the top strategies of online marketing. And a lot of people use it to really upgrade in their daily operations and business. I use it a lot myself. In the past, I have gotten leads and also sales using this platform. And I usually use this platform on Craigslist. But lately I also, follow up through my emails and, my autoresponders. So it's so many different ways to strategize this. And what I want to show you is the different types of resources here that you could check out so you could be able to use these. Now, these different types of resources, you make sure you read, listen to it carefully. It's different videos back here. When you scroll over here to the resellers tab, you can see over here where it says resources. So when you click on resources, it's going to give you different tools that you can use. As you can see right here, you see promo videos. They gives you, a little bit of motivation. Right here it tells you about Ava. Ava is your automatic virtual assistant. This type of AI does all the selling and telling for you. It's a robot. Once people enter in this platform, Ava, which is the automatic virtual robot, she closed the sales for you, so you don't have to do the extra work on the other end. So all you got to do as an affiliate marketer is to draw traffic, bring traffic to Ava, and Ava will do the rest. So that's the most brilliant thing about SMS marketing using textbot AI. So you have over here, you got your testimonials. You also have your email swipe copy. And, these are what you can implement inside your autoresponders. Something that you can use, and you can promote pretty much any business using these. These are solo ad swipes you can use if you're doing solo ads. You get these to the vendors, solo ad vendors, blast email your opportunity. Then you got social media posts that you can use, like on Instagram and things like that. Also, training, check out those training videos too, so you can get a little, if you're a newbie coming on this platform, you can get a little sneak peek of what's going on and how to operate those different types of, resources. So, yeah, you go down here and check everything out. Also, when you do get started with textbot AI, make sure that you go to the Facebook group so you can be able to see other people who's getting results. Check out their testimonials. A lot of people be on there, showing their results and, letting other people know, especially newbies, that if they apply themselves, they can be able to do it too. They can get those same results. You just have to be consistent and persistent and make sure that, you doing everything you need to do to better your business so you can be able to get results and be able to scale up. And that's the number one goal. Like I said before, textbot AI, it has a lot of features you can use. It's two ways that you can be able to market this. One way is by sharing a phone number. This is going to be your phone number that you can get people to be connected with Ava. And a lot of times you can use this with Craigslist, so you can be able to put your phone in leads, be able to come and dial that phone number, or they could also call that phone number. That way Ava will follow up with them. Now, you do have to have text credits to receive. As you can see, I got a -2 and a 6 because I've been using my credits a lot. So, and I haven't really updated on it. I know I've been using, been doing other marketing opportunities that I be promoting, but you know, you can buy your text credits right here. But it's a one-time investment to get in here. You know what I mean? One-time investment. Check out the videos that go deep in more info about it. Like I said, you can use this platform to promote any business. Just think, if you giving out your phone number, and in return, through those leads coming with Ava could present your primary business or whatever you set for, or whatever you programmed her to do for you. So that's very, very, very powerful. So if you would like to get started with me, the link in the description will be below. Make sure that you leave your comments below, and like and subscribe to the channel. If you think this video done some good to you, you can also reach me on Facebook. I'll answer questions. I love answering different questions, helping people out. I love to communicate, because that's what we are here for. We are here to communicate with each other and better each other. So that's just something that I wanted to give you guys. I do have upcoming more videos on textbot. I love doing these reviews for, because I know a lot of people look for more information about this service. All right, so that's what I wanted to give you guys. Like I said, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll give you more strategies, tips, and tricks on how you can better yourself in your marketing. All right, that's it for today. This is 00 with Astro. I see you guys in the next video. Peace.